Thanks to Ryan's World for sending us these toys. And make sure to check out Ryan's new show, Super Spy Ryan, on Amazon Kids Plus. Hi guys, check out this huge surprise I got for Kaven. I can't wait till he sees this. He's going to love it. Oh no! It's Spy Robo Combo! He's going to steal Kaven's Super Spy Egg! He's going to hide it somewhere! Somebody help!
Welcome to Kaven Adventures. Hey, Bebop!
Hey Kaven! I had a big surprise for you! But then Spy Robo Combo popped out of nowhere and stole your surprise! Now it's missing! You will need to use the Super Spy Ryan mystery edition case to find it.
Oh, there's a green button. That's not... Ooh, a key. Every time there's a key, there's a keyhole. Password must be Ryan. R and Y A N. Whoa! This is cool. Check it out, guys. It has Ryan's name. Let's open these. Ooh! What is this? It is Spycom, and he has a walkie-talkie. Let's open the next one. You know, everybody knows this one. Alpha Alexa. Whoa, this is so cool. It's Alpha Alexa, and he has a walkie-talkie too. Whoa. You know what else this is? Hey guys, it's Spy One. He has a grappling hook.
Hey Kaven, it's Bebop! We have some intel on your egg. Spy Robo Combo has hidden the egg inside the house. But first, finish getting all your spy gear.
There's another keyhole. Look at these spy goggles. I can see. C to unlock. Hey, there's Gus. You must put Gus up here. G, U, and then S. Whoa! Hey! Whoa, a flashlight! Whoa, walkie-talkies! Whoa! I can use this to see in the dark. Ooh. And you can use the walkie-talkie to talk to Bebop. Hey Bebop, can you hear me?
Hi Kaven, I can hear you loud and clear. Finish unboxing the last of the suitcase, then we can look for your egg.
Whoa! Stickers! Why did the code break up fell? Open this. What is this? Oh, a game. E equals S. E and then E equals S. Okay, let's break the code. N equals A. Hey kids, the secret code is Agent Gale. Hey Bebop, let's find my mystery egg. Ha!
Alright Kaven, our intel has told us Robo Combo has locked your egg behind some door. You will need to find the key to open it. I will communicate with you using the communicator watch, okay? Good luck!
Hey guys, let's look for clues. So and then first I'm gonna wear my goggles first. Oh, it's footprints. Oh, red key. Oh, it's locked. I need to find a red key. Hey Bebop, I think my one egg is behind the red door.
I have to find the keys and unlock the doors.
Alright, let's go! Nothing here. Yeah. You're the kid. Bebop, I found the white key.
Good job, Agent Kaven.
We use it. Unlock. It's dark. Well, I'm gonna use my flashlight. Oh, Yogi. Yeah, drop it. What shall we use over the Yogi? I know what to use the Yogi. Biba, gotta do Yogi.
Good job, Agent Kaven. Keep on going.
Oh, yeah, this is a Yogi. It's super dark. It's dark now. Let me use my flashlight now. Again. Green key. Got it. Where should we use green key? Bebop, I got the green key now.
Agent Kaven, you're gonna be the best spy yet.
There's a black door. Smash the bubble top in a minute. The blue key. Ha! Let's use the Biba. I found the blue key now.
Kaven, according to our intel, there's 3 more doors to unlock.
It's for my mommy's room. What's in here? The Bucky! Bebop, I got the Bucky.
Great job, Kaven. One more key and you get your egg back.
It goes to the dishwasher. But Bucky. Okay, we got the final key. Let's open this escape door. People, I got the one key.
Let's go, Kaven. Finish the mission.
We have the timer is down. There's the egg.
Way to go, Agent Kaven. You found the egg. Great job, Agent Kaven. Now go open up your surprise.
Hey, people, we got the egg. Now let's go open it. Let's open this. Oh! Cool. Whoa, a drone! Hope I get Gale. It's a spy combo! Let's put the spy combo inside the drone. Because it has his face on it. So that's his drone diamond speech. It's a spy pack and you can't even hold his walkie-talkie. It's a spy off Alexa. Spy Ryan, but we didn't get Gale. Thank you people for giving these toys. Ta-da. Oh, the drone even has a camera. Hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you again. Okay, ha ha ha.